In this video, we will discuss how repetitive evidence management tasks are a waste of time and resources. Evidence management tasks, handled with paper and pen, represent a significant drain on time and resources for law enforcement organizations. These processes, inherently labor-intensive and prone to errors, introduce numerous inefficiencies that can compromise the integrity of the judicial system. Here are the 7 biggest challenges of using paper and pen in the evidence management process. 1. Initial evidence collection and documentation. When using paper and pen during the initial evidence collection phase, police officers must manually write down extensive details about each piece of evidence, including descriptions, serial numbers, timestamps, locations, and witness statements. Each manual entry is subject to errors, especially in high-pressure situations. 2. Duplication of records. Maintaining multiple copies of records for different stakeholders is another laborious task that increases the likelihood of discrepancies between records. With paper records, duplicating information often involves physically copying documents or manually entering the same data into different logs. 3. Physical storage and retrieval. The physical storage of paper evidence and records requires meticulous organization. Over time, as the volume of evidence grows, the complexity of managing these physical records increases exponentially, consuming valuable time and resources. 4. Chain of custody management. Maintaining an unbroken chain of custody is crucial for the admissibility of evidence in court. Each transfer of evidence introduces opportunities for error or oversight. A misplaced form or a forgotten signature can jeopardize the integrity of the evidence. 5. Audits and inspections. Regular audits and inspections are necessary to verify that evidence is being managed correctly and that records are accurate. With paper-based systems, the process often involves cross-referencing multiple records and logs to verify consistency, which is labor-intensive, repetitive, and prone to errors. 6. Coordination and communication. Effective communication and coordination among various stakeholders are essential for managing evidence. In a paper-based system, this often involves manually copying and distributing documents, scheduling meetings to review evidence, and physically transporting evidence between locations. Each step introduces delays and increases the risk of evidence damage or loss. 7. Evidence disposition. The final disposition of evidence, whether it is returning property to its rightful owner, destroying it, or retaining it for future reference, also involves extensive documentation. With paper and pen, this time-consuming process includes filing numerous forms, updating records, and ensuring all legal requirements are met. In short, the traditional paper and pen method of evidence management is fraught with inefficiencies and repetitive tasks that waste both time and money. By using evidence management software, you can eliminate these repetitive tasks, streamline operations, and enhance accuracy.